This is a quadratic type equation. Let's rewrite the first term as 30 a to the negative 1 squared, because negative 1 times 2 gives me negative 2, and then bring everything else down. Now let's make a u substitution. Let's let u be a to the negative 1. So that will be 30 u squared plus 31 u minus 6 equals 0. I rewrote this first term, a to the negative 2, as a to the negative 1. Usually I try to rewrite that first term in terms of whatever the variable part was in the second term. Now let's see if we can factor this. That would be 6u and a 5u, because 6u times 5u is 30u squared. And now I need to get negative 6. So let's try negative 1 and positive 6. So 6u times 5u is 30u squared. That works. Negative 1 times positive 6 is negative 6. But check your middle term. That gives you negative 5u and 36u. And if you combine those, you get positive 31u, which checks for the middle term. So I have factored correctly. And that is all equal to 0. So solve each one. Set each one equal to 0. 5u plus 6 equals 0. That's 6u equal 1. U equal 1 6. 5u equal negative 6. U equal negative 6 fifths. But we weren't solving for u at the very beginning. We were solving for a. So we need to resubstitute in terms of a. Well, u is a to the negative 1. And u is a to the negative 1. Now let's solve each one of these equations. A to the negative 1 is 1 over a equal 1 6. And cross multiply, and you get a equals 6 as one solution. And then a to the negative 1 is 1 over a equal negative 6 fifths. Cross multiply, you get negative 6a equal 5. A equal negative 5 6. So there are your two solutions.